whether you want to do indoor or outdoor volunteering. So let's say we want to do indoor volunteering, it will show you all the type of volunteering you would like to do. Indoor for animals, hunger, environment, or the community. So let's say we want to do something for the community. We check the current events, and it will show you the hackathon. So, which this is basically volunteering your Saturday, and when you click on the image of each thing, it will take you to the map of the location to where to go volunteer. Go back to, okay. And you can do more volunteering if you want. Maybe there's another day, but it'll always ask you where you are at, that you want to do, where do you want to do volunteering, the zip code. So you just keep typing the zip code, and it'll go search for it and find the nearby things you can volunteer for. So I'm just clicking those. And then the same thing will just happen over and over. As the bot improves, you'll be able to find, I want to talk about, let's show how we would start go down. So if you're the one providing the volunteer work, you could start start event. So maybe you want to start an event for animals. Scroll down. And then I'll ask you, what's the name of your event? Just test the name. It'll ask you what day your event is. What time would you like to start it? And then where would the event take place? So let's just put here, because you can put whatever, and then we'll figure it out. All right, Fit Beach. So it'll tell you, hey Edwin, your event test was successfully uploaded for review. So we would take that event and we would make sure that you're a real nonprofit, not just anybody uploading something, and we would make a deal with you. You would pay us to put you on our platform, and then how many users we end up getting can find your volunteer work very easily. So we can promote this at schools just by putting a bunch of those stickers that I made you scan, and people can scan it and find the volunteer work very easily. I think that's about it. You can upload volunteer work and you can volunteer. Thank you.
2 minutes for title.
So it does require curation.
Yes. Well, we weren't able to find, we would have done it by finding all the nonprofit locations already that provide, but there's not an API to find all that. So we basically have to do the work that's already being done. So this way we'll be a competitor.
But is there any way to use the Facebook API to bring in all of those valid nonprofits that already have Facebook pages?
Facebook pages, that is possible. We haven't gotten into that.
Would it remember your preferences, so you don't have to put the zip code in each time?
Well, the difference is...
You want to be indoors all the time versus outdoors?
Well, I don't think that'd be a really good idea, because if you're traveling somewhere, or maybe you're somewhere else, it just wants to know where are you at the current location, because Facebook doesn't allow you to grab their location without permission. Well, at all through the messenger bot.
Did you incorporate any other features from Facebook, like sharing to your friend, and then you know you're going to be volunteering on Tuesday or something like that?
No.
But we hope it was shared.
Yeah.
Screenshot.
It's possible that maybe, perhaps, Facebook would allow you to easily share, oh, look, I'm volunteering at this place, etc. Yeah. But usually, if you just go on Twitter, be like, I'm here or something.
Okay, final comments? Thoughts from the audience? No?
Why did you choose Messenger?
The platform we use is called Chatfuel, and right now they support Telegram and Facebook Messenger. Plus, they have a billion active monthly users.
But why the chat format?
Because it's easily reachable. So what happens is, when I was talking to George, the chief
Service officer.
Service officer, there you go. The chief service officer, he was telling me about how the process of having to ask a bunch of people talk one by one. So chatbots, they can talk to 1 million people at a time, where you and I can only talk one at a time. So, and chatting is ubiquitous, universal. Everybody knows how to chat, so talking to a bot is just natural. And I don't have to figure out your website, etc. and find out. This is very intuitive.
Thank you.
Awesome. Okay, that does it. I'm going to ask our judges to make their way to the back. We'll call it the judging